How does the mechanical handbrake work? Today, I will take you through the whole process of installing the mechanical handbrake to understand the structure of the mechanical handbrake. The first is to install 2 metal pipes on the chassis of the car. The handbrake wire will go through the bottom of the car from here, and you wire the brake underneath the chassis through this metal tube into the car. The other end of the wire is attached to the brake disc. The next step is to install the mechanical handbrake. EC wrench is required to tighten the 2-gram screw fixing the handbrake. This ensures that the screws will not loosen. Then connect the handbrake and wire drawing together, and use a stun gun to adjust the wire drawing to the appropriate neck extension. After adjustment, the stress relief of handbrake wire drawing needs to be carried out. Just pull the handbrake hard 4 times. Then measure the handbrake force. The standard of measurement is to pull up 4 feet. At this time, the toxin of the handbrake sideways agent is the handbrake force of this car. Then pull the handbrake. Connect the mechanical handbrake touchpoint switch plug and arrange the wiring harness. Then install the submeter. The fixing of the meter will not be displayed here. Then install the handbrake sheath and handbrake release button. Finally, just install the decorative cover under the handbrake. Follow me to take you through the whole process of car production.